Thato ya iphethe bana bao bakgethe. So one of you requested this song that says Thato ya hao iphethe bana bao bakgethe. Okay, so I will use F sharp, G sharp, and C sharp. Okay, I will first play it and break it down after. Oh, sorry, I played it, sir. Please, if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so as far as you heard how this song goes, so I will first break it down in G sharp. Okay, so in G sharp, it starts right there where it says Urine. Okay, I didn't include it on the first part. Okay, but it starts right here. Urine. Then it goes here. Okay, then it goes to Thato ya hao. Okay, so that song it starts right here on this one. On one, it's one. Okay, 4, 5. Okay, 1. Second inversion is like is say first inversion, second, then it goes to first, then you go to 4. Okay, then you go to this one, then it has to sound like, then it goes to 6, then it goes to 5, then it goes to 1. Okay, so yeah, this is how our song goes. Okay, so Thato ya hao. Thato ya hao iphethe. Then the same thing, bana bao. Okay, ba. I said it has to sound like bakgethe. Okay, yeah, this is how our song goes. Okay, it's like 1. Okay, it's like oh, you stay on the same key. Okay, 1. Thato ya hao. Then you go to 3. Then you go to 2. 1, 5. Okay, then you go again. 1, 1, 1. Then you go to 4. Like you can do something like, yeah, make your bass nice. Like you go to 5, then you close it. Okay, very simple. So before any waste of time, if you didn't understand in G sharp, you will go and check again and again. Eh? Before any waste of time, let's go to F sharp. Okay, so in F sharp it starts right here, same progression. All right, so don't be confused if on other keys I didn't mention numbers. All right, so yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, it starts right here in F sharp. Okay, I said it has to sound like on an F sharp you go to this one. Then this one. Alright. Alright. So very simple. It's like Urine Ucha Bella Zeudi Ra. Then you come to this one. Tanka Bella. Then you go to this one. Ne? So this is our song on Lebo Sekgobela, ne? So Thato ya hao. Thato ya hao iphethe. Alright? Bana ba hao ba okay, I hope you saw it. Let me be slow. Alright. Bana ba, like you can do bana, sorry, bana ba. How if he doesn't want to do how ba so this is F sharp, guys. I hope you saw it. All right, so this one is F sharp. Okay, so let's go to C sharp. Okay, so in C sharp it starts right here. Alright, on G sharp, on C sharp we come to this one, ne? Alright, I hope you saw it. Alright, so it's like okay. So let's go to Thato ya gago. Very, very simple, okay? Thato ya hao iphethe. Alright? Then you go again. Bana ba hao ba. So I hope you all saw it, okay? Sorry. So this is how our song goes, okay? Please make sure that you understand it and practice it again and again.